Hey guys, and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this video, we are going to be talking about computer networking. So you guys might have heard of this term before, but if you haven't, we're going to learn about computer networking, and we're also going to be looking at the different parts of computer networking. So first, let's look at the overview. So I kind of said that we're going to be looking at computer network and what a computer network is. Then we're going to be looking at the different parts of a network, and we're going to be talking about computer routers, switches, and hubs, and then finally we're going to be looking at an Ethernet cable. So first, let's look at what a computer network is. So a computer network is when two or more computers are connected with each other to communicate electronically. So this is when two or more computers are connected with each other. So you can see in the picture we have this little line connecting two computers. So this might be, for example, let's say we are texting a friend. Those computers are connected electronically to communicate, because I'm communicating with my friend. And this can be in lots of other forms as well. So this is what a computer network is. So now let's look at the different parts of a network. So the different parts of a computer network is a router, switch, and a hub. So first we have a router, and you can see right here, this is what a router looks like. Then we have a switch right here, and then finally we have a hub right here. So now let's look at a computer router. So a computer router receives and sends data on computer networks. A router contains a switch, which contains 5 to 52 ports. The router is the main part of a computer network. So right here, you can see this is how a router looks like. Yours might be a little different, but this is basically what it looks like. So you can see that router does contain a switch. So this is what a router looks like, and this is like the cartoon version of it. So the computer router is the main part of a network, and it is a really important part because it sends and receives data on computer networks, which is really important when talking about computer networking. Then there is the computer switch. So the computer switch is a device that connects other devices together. So you can see we have some ports right here on the switch, and you can plug in data cables, and those will enable the communication between network devices. So this is kind of like a little connector for the computer. Then we have a computer hub. So a computer hub is a device that allows multiple computers to communicate together over a network. So this is kind of like a switch too. It does have the ports that you can plug in, and switches and hubs often do get confused, but the main difference is that switches send data to certain ports, and hubs send data to all active ports. So switches will send data to only like certain ports, while hubs will send it to all ports that are having data cables plugged in. Then we have Ethernet cables. So Ethernet cables provide internet connection and connect data devices to a local network. An Ethernet cable is used to connect to a Wi-Fi router. It can connect to lots of other things too. So I have a picture of an Ethernet cable right here. So data cables, as I was mentioning in the previous slides, those are just Ethernet cables. So these are the cables you plug in. So for example, let's say I have an Ethernet cable connected to a laptop. So we can see right here we have a little cable, and we can see the little diagram from the side. So this is an Ethernet cable in real life, and this is just a little diagram to explain an Ethernet cable. So these can be used to connect to a Wi-Fi router. It can also connect to lots of other things too. For example, it can connect to local networks and stuff like that. So this is what an Ethernet cable is. So now let's review of what we did. So first, let's look at a computer network. So a computer network was when two or more computers are connected so they can electronically communicate. Then what are the different parts of a network? There's a computer router, switch, and hub. And then a computer router is the main part of a computer network. A computer switch connects lots of devices to a network, and so does a hub, but there is a difference between both of them. And then finally we have an Ethernet cable, and an Ethernet cable is used to, it's like a data cable, it just plugs in. So this is what we reviewed in this video today. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, so I know you guys like the video, and I will leave the slideshow in the description box in case you guys want to look over it at another time, or you can take your own notes or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!